Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how to replace your air filter on your 2016 Mazda 3. On this Mazda 3 your air filter is right here on the driver's side. You got your battery back here, a fuse box right here, air filter right here. A couple things about how you're going to notice the air filter is that it goes right into your throttle body, and it's got a sensor generally very close to it, which this is called your mass airflow sensor right up top here. So the way to replace it is you just got two tabs on the front here. Just click them back and unlock them, and then you're just going to rock it up like that. Right now the cable for the mass airflow sensor is holding it. You can do it by just opening it way up like that, not getting in the way as much. But if you really want full access, there's a clip back here that holds it, and you can undo the electric for the cable itself. If you just pull it up like that, get it up out of the way, then you can go ahead and remove your air filter. So we've got a new one to put in there. And then if this was really dirty, you can just put a vacuum to vacuum it out. But it's pretty clean, so we're good. So you just take your new one, drop it into place, put this back down. Thing you're gonna wanna note is on the back, there are two plastic tabs, and you wanna slide them under the connection on the back, and then double check that they're connected there. Snap the clips up, and that's how you go ahead and replace your air filter on your Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.